Hello, this is Howard, and the renovation of my house, of the basement. Remember the motion sensor over there? Yeah, it's off right now. That's going to be the top of the shower. There's the shower. That's not where it's going to go. It's just I'm disassembling it. My bad luck, one glass came in broken. Not only that, this arch piece right here came in just the way it is. We installed it the way it is. It is upside down, so we're going to take this glass back off and flip it over. So I guess they broke it, and because they had it upside down. Back here, this one hose to here. The top one leads to the shower head up top. This one here leads to the spray heads that way. Same here. And the other one leads to here. It's right off the top. So now you can have the hot and cold water that goes into these guys. Get the power cord. Look at, you get an N for neutral, L for the lead, power. So this one is going to be for the neutral, for the ground wire. And those two is going to be hooked in to give me some power to this unit. Another ground at the bottom there, that's the ground to the wall or to the floor. This unit here says it should have been 82 inches high, but I think it's 85 inches high, not 82. So the space I have to fit it. So 83.5. Sure, unit so. Just the glass part of it. It's 80 and 3/4 to the top. It's 80 and 3/4. Okay, let's round it off to 80. The top is 3.5 inches thick. So about right here, 3.5 inches. So 3.5 and 81 equal to 84. So this unit is actually 84 inches high, not 82 like they claim. So be careful of that. So now I have to probably, so what I did, I reversed everything on it. This is not a shiny, nice looking side. I just basically take all the speakers, take everything else and flip them back inside out. This is the original side. It's nice and clean and looking. But I put all the speakers and I reverse everything in there to give me 80, to give me the height that I need and give me the area to put all the stuff that I wanted on it. This is going to drop down and gives me these 3 inches inside. So I'm going to lose 3 inches, maybe 1.5 inches inside, or inch inside. But that's just the top, so I'm not so worried about it.